In this video, I'll discuss what are the different site setting configurations are. Right, so I'm on the retail demo site, and currently here is the settings. Okay, so you can find your website settings under back office settings tab, then under website. So for those under a business group, you would like to, it is recommended that you enable central site and then select the sites that you want displayed from the website. Alright, so the next option, for this is for group site, so avoid transfer orders. This option will appear when you click and collect. So as you can see, there is no transfer option here, but if we set it to no and we refresh the page, you'll see that there will be a transfer option. And right, so here it's a guide for the shop or for the customer that for if you want to buy from shop 1 or shop 2, okay, they need to transfer the stock first, right? So that is the function for avoid transfers. Okay, combined stock and description. So this settings is only applicable for those who are using the old layout. So currently on retail, our demo site, it is currently using the new template. Okay, so for new template or new website template, um, there is no changes that you can see here. But on an old, okay, okay, so it's on the home page. It's when you feature a product, right? So see here we have a show more link, and if you have a combined description, you see the information down below. But on the new layout, it doesn't appear because we are trying to maximize the space and the layout for the product. So for new layout, it doesn't really change anything for combined stock description. But for old, those who are using the old layout, here is how it looks like when combined stock description is enabled. So as you can see, we are on the home page of shop 1. Okay, and as you can see, the general fields are appearing on the featured product. But if we try to turn that off, you will then see that the information is now condensed, right? So the title or the product being displayed is much more compact, and it doesn't overwhelm the customer with regards to information of the title. Now that is for the old layout combined stock description. So once more, if you enabled it, you'll see the general fields. Alright, let's go back to retail demo site. So for catalog, include out of print and out of print titles. So basically these are for titles that are OOP. So regardless if you have a title that is being searched here, if it is set to include, then you can search and display titles for out of print titles. But if we are under exclude, then customers cannot search for OOP titles. Now for out of stock titles up to handling out of stock order, these two options are interconnected. So out of stock items show or hide, but then again, some shops prefer that their customer uh, purchase out of stock items and then they will order for that customer. So uh, the preferred settings for that is show and then don't hide. Okay, so if you are showing out of stock items and you want your customer to purchase, you're out of stock. So see here, this will change. So instead of notify me, it will change into something order 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 this item. Okay, so basically you are allowing your customer to purchase an out of stock item, and then as you can see, it's not add to cart, right? So the customer has an idea that this item is out of stock and it will be ordered for them. So you are allowing your customer to order an out of stock title. Okay, so see here we have out of stock, right? And the customer will be able to place an order of an out of stock item. Now, another approach is that you show your out of stock titles, but you make use of the notify me function. The notify me function is listed under customer order and then wish list. So if a customer wants to order or wants to be contacted when there is uh, stock for that particular title, then um, here is how it works. So let's go back to that um, category. So as you can see here, we have an out of stock title, right? So let me just copy the title. All right, and what I'm going to do is click on the notify me option. So what it will do is it will add me on the list under customer orders wish list, and I will have a yes value under the contact me column. And if a manager sees that update and they have brought in a stock, or if the title is being on order, then they can contact me. um, then they can offer to place the title on hold under my account, so that when the title comes in, we can ship it out to the customer. So as you can see here, here is my notify me transaction. So that is the function of hide add to cart. All right, so if you turn off the out of stock items, all right, so hide, then those titles that doesn't have any quantities, right, they are not available for purchase, they will be removed from the list, right? Okay, so as you can see, regardless of hide add to cart or don't hide add to cart, regardless if you set it to hide, then a customer cannot choose to notify me or order the item, because out of stock titles won't be showing from your website. Alright, so let's move to show titles on order on the web. So if you select show those titles that are on order, so let's pick a title here from our currently on order. Okay, so let's say this one. You'll see the statistics under the quick search box. So we have the title um, on order for 2 quantities. So basically the customer will have an idea that if, for example, this title is out of stock, so let's set this ISBN to out of stock, and let me just adjust this out of stock, and then alright, so let's change it. Okay, so if I search it from the website, so as you can see here, we have the title out of stock, but it is on order. So our customer is interested on that title. So the customer will then be able to, if you have set the notify me on, or the button hide add to cart, then they'll be added to the wish list in